Imagine if I told you right now, trillions of microscopic organisms are crawling, swimming, and multiplying on and inside your body. You're never alone, not even for a second. You are literally home to countless invisible creatures, and shockingly, these microscopic tenants outnumber your own human cells 10 to 1. Yet here's where things get bizarre. These tiny organisms don't just influence your physical health, they control your brain, mood, and even your behavior. Ever wondered why you crave sugary snacks or why your mood swings wildly? Your microbiome might be secretly pulling the strings. Recent studies reveal a direct communication line between your gut and brain, known as the gut-brain axis. Your microbial inhabitants produce neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, the very chemicals governing happiness, anxiety, and depression. Consider this astonishing experiment. Scientists transplanted gut bacteria from anxious mice into calm mice, and remarkably, the calm mice began exhibiting anxious behaviors. Conversely, anxious mice became calmer when their microbiome was swapped with that from fearless mice. Could it be that anxiety, depression, and even your bravery are influenced by invisible organisms living within your intestines? But the story gets even more intriguing. Could your microbiome shape your personality and social interactions? Researchers have found differences in the microbiomes of introverts and extroverts, suggesting these microscopic residents might influence your social traits. Imagine if your shyness or charisma isn't entirely you, but partly the microbial life you host. The microbiome doesn't just affect your behavior, it might even determine whom you're attracted to. Studies suggest that individuals are subconsciously attracted to partners with different microbiomes, potentially seeking microbial diversity for healthier offspring. Could the chemistry you feel with someone actually be bacterial chemistry? Your microbiome even influences your body weight. Scientists found striking differences between the gut bacteria of lean and obese individuals. Transferring microbes from lean individuals to obese ones triggered weight loss without any diet changes. Imagine that, your battle with weight might be controlled by invisible microscopic overlords within your gut. Yet, despite its immense influence, modern lifestyles constantly threaten your microbiome. Antibiotics, processed foods, and excessive hygiene have triggered an unprecedented extinction event within your gut. The diversity and balance of beneficial bacteria have drastically declined compared to our ancestors. Scientists now link this microbial depletion to skyrocketing rates of allergies, autoimmune diseases, obesity, and even mental health disorders. Could the solution to modern diseases lie in restoring our microbial companions? Enter fecal microbiota transplants, transferring stool from healthy donors to patients with damaged microbiomes. Though it might sound revolting, this revolutionary procedure has astonishingly cured deadly infections like Clostridium difficile, dramatically improved autoimmune conditions, and even alleviated severe anxiety and depression. But the microbiome isn't limited to your gut. It covers every inch of your body. Skin, mouth, lungs, and even your eyes host distinct microbial communities. Your skin microbiome acts like a living shield, protecting you from pathogens and influencing conditions like eczema, acne, and psoriasis. Recent studies reveal that disrupting these skin microbes with antibacterial soaps and sanitizers can trigger harmful skin conditions rather than preventing them. Even more surprising, your oral microbiome profoundly impacts not just dental health but your overall well-being. Poor oral microbiome health is linked to heart disease, diabetes, and Alzheimer's. Who knew brushing and flossing were acts of microbial gardening essential to your entire body's health? Science is only just uncovering the complexity and power of the microbiome. As we dive deeper, researchers envision tailored probiotics, custom microbial blends specifically engineered to treat individual health conditions, personality disorders, and even enhance mental performance. Imagine swallowing a capsule to become calmer, smarter, or healthier, based solely on your personalized microbial cocktail. But with great microbial power comes ethical responsibility. As scientists unravel the secrets of manipulating your microbiome, questions arise. Should we edit our microbes to enhance ourselves? How far is too far in reshaping our microbial identity? The shocking truth is clear. Your microbiome isn't merely a passive companion, it's your body's most powerful and influential system. It shapes your health, dictates your emotions, molds your personality, and perhaps even defines your humanity. The next time you gaze into the mirror, remember, you're not just human, you're a thriving ecosystem, home to trillions of unseen partners silently governing your life. Embrace your microbiome, protect it, and nurture it, because your life, quite literally, depends on it. The shocking revelations about your microbiome don't end there. They reach even deeper into the core of your identity. Science is uncovering startling evidence that your microbes can influence genetic expression. Imagine your genes as a complex symphony, with your microbiome conducting the orchestra, turning certain genes on and off in response to the environment. These microscopic maestros are constantly adjusting your genetic harmony, fine-tuning your immune response, metabolism, and even your susceptibility to chronic diseases. Consider the groundbreaking discoveries linking your microbiome to cancer. Researchers have found specific bacteria thriving in tumors, suggesting microbes might promote or even initiate cancer development. Imagine your microscopic inhabitants not just reacting to cancer, but potentially causing it. Conversely, certain beneficial bacteria appear protective, helping your immune system identify and destroy malignant cells. The future of cancer prevention and treatment may lie in harnessing the power of your microscopic allies. Remarkably, your microbiome doesn't just influence diseases, it can also dramatically alter how your body responds to medications. Ever wonder why a drug works miracles for one person but causes severe side effects in another? Your microbiome might hold the answer. Researchers have discovered gut bacteria metabolize drugs, altering their effectiveness and side effects. Soon, personalized medicine might include microbiome analysis, tailoring drug dosages based on your unique microbial profile. Imagine a future where medications are customized not just to your genes, but also to the trillions of organisms living inside you. Even your athletic abilities could be microbiome dependent. Elite athletes possess distinct gut bacteria that enhance muscle function, endurance, and recovery. Studies have found specific bacteria that boost energy metabolism, reduce inflammation, and even improve oxygen utilization. Could enhancing your microbiome unlock your athletic potential, making you faster, stronger, or more resilient? The day might come when athletes aren't just training muscles but also cultivating their gut bacteria. The influence of your microbiome extends far beyond your physical self. It shapes entire ecosystems and communities. Each human releases billions of microbes into their environment daily, influencing the microbial communities of their homes, workplaces, and even cities. Scientists have traced unique microbial signatures in urban environments, linking microbial clouds to individuals and families. Imagine leaving a microbial fingerprint everywhere you go, silently marking your presence with invisible clues. Could future forensic investigations use microbiome analysis to track suspects, identify missing persons, or uncover hidden connections? Even more astonishingly, your microbiome connects you directly with the environment. Researchers discovered that spending time outdoors dramatically diversifies your gut microbiome, exposing you to beneficial microbes from plants, soil, and fresh air. Conversely, sterile indoor environments, devoid of microbial diversity, correlate with higher incidences of allergies, asthma, and autoimmune disorders. Could the secret to robust health lie simply in reconnecting with nature, replenishing your microbial diversity through walks in forests, gardening, or simply breathing fresh air? The mysteries deepen further when considering your microbiome's role in aging. Scientists recently found that older adults with youthful, diverse microbiomes experience fewer age-related diseases, better cognitive function, and increased longevity. Imagine if microbiome rejuvenation could reverse aging, keeping you mentally sharp, physically active, and biologically youthful well into old age. Could we soon be living longer, healthier lives simply by tending to our microbial gardens? But microbial manipulation raises profound ethical questions. If we can engineer microbes to enhance physical and cognitive performance, improve moods, or extend lifespans, who gets access? Could microbial enhancements deepen social inequalities, creating a divide between microbial haves and have-nots? And what about privacy? Your microbiome reveals intimate details about your diet, lifestyle, and health, information that could be exploited by insurance companies, employers, or governments. As microbiome science advances, society must grapple with safeguarding microbial privacy and ensuring equitable access to microbial health interventions. Even space exploration hinges on microbiome research. Astronauts experience dramatic microbial changes during spaceflight, losing beneficial gut bacteria and gaining potentially harmful species. Protecting astronauts' microbiomes could be critical to surviving prolonged space missions, colonizing Mars, or traveling beyond our solar system. NASA is currently developing probiotics designed specifically for astronauts, tailored to maintain microbial balance in zero gravity. Could mastering the microbiome become humanity's ticket to exploring and colonizing the stars? Yet, amidst the promises and perils of microbiome manipulation, one undeniable truth emerges. Humanity stands at the threshold of a microbial revolution. Your microbiome is not a passive bystander in your life, but an active, dynamic partner, shaping your health, decisions, and future. The boundaries of where you end and your microbial companions begin have blurred, revealing an interconnectedness far deeper and more profound than ever imagined. As you reflect on the trillions of unseen lives within you, remember this: nurturing your microbiome is nurturing yourself. Each choice, what you eat, how you live, where you spend your time, shapes your microbial community and consequently your health, mood, and personality. Embracing microbial harmony means cultivating diversity, minimizing harmful interventions like unnecessary antibiotics, and reconnecting with the natural microbial world around you. The shocking truth about your microbiome is clear. It defines you, influences you, and connects you intimately with the planet and the universe beyond. This microscopic universe within you holds the keys to understanding disease, aging, behavior, and perhaps even the future of humanity itself. You're not merely human, you're an ecosystem, a symbiotic fusion of human and microbial life. Cherish your microscopic allies because the future of health, longevity, and human potential might depend entirely on embracing, nurturing, and understanding the astonishing world within you.